Phoenix, the capital of Arizona, is a vibrant city known for its warm climate, stunning desert landscapes, and thriving cultural scene. It is one of the most populous cities in the United States and a hub for history, art, and outdoor adventures. This guide explores the city's famous attractions, historical landmarks, and must-visit places, perfect for creating engaging content and AI videos. 1. Desert Botanical Garden. 1. Highlights: over 50,000 desert plants, seasonal exhibits, and educational programs. 2. Why visit? This garden offers a breathtaking experience of desert flora, showcasing cacti, succulents, and wildflowers from around the world. 2. Visitors can enjoy serene trails and interactive displays. 2. Camelback Mountain. 1. Highlights: popular hiking destination with trails like Echo Canyon and Cholla Trail. 2. Why visit? This iconic mountain provides challenging hikes and stunning panoramic views of the Phoenix skyline and surrounding areas. 3. Musical Instrument Museum, MIM. 1. Highlights: displays over 15,000 musical instruments from around the world. 2. Why visit? The MIM offers a unique, immersive experience with interactive exhibits where visitors can play instruments and learn about global musical traditions. 4. Phoenix Art Museum. 1. Highlights: collections of modern and contemporary art, photography, and fashion. 2. Why visit? As the largest art museum in the Southwest, it hosts world-class exhibitions and offers a serene space to appreciate creativity and culture. 5. Heard Museum. 1. Highlights: renowned for its exhibits on Native American art and culture. 2. Why visit? This museum provides an authentic look into the history and heritage of Native American tribes, featuring pottery, jewelry, and textiles. 6. Papago Park. 1. Highlights: red rock formations, hiking trails, and hole-in-the-rock viewpoint. 2. Why visit? Ideal for family outings and nature photography, this park is a great spot to explore Phoenix's unique desert landscape. 7. South Mountain Park and Preserve. 1. Highlights: one of the largest urban parks in the world, with 50+ miles of trails. 2. Why visit? It's a paradise for hikers, mountain bikers, and horseback riders, offering incredible views of the city and the Sonoran Desert. 8. Phoenix Zoo. 1. Highlights: home to over 3,000 animals, including endangered species. 2. Why visit? The zoo offers fun for all ages, with interactive exhibits, educational programs, and attractions like Stingray Bay and the Safari Cruiser. 9. Old Town Scottsdale. 1. Highlights: Western-themed shopping, dining, and art galleries. 2. Why visit? A short drive from Phoenix, this area combines historic charm with modern amenities, making it perfect for exploring local culture and craftsmanship. 10. Arizona Science Center. 1. Highlights: hands-on exhibits, planetarium, and IMAX theater. 2. Why visit? A family-friendly destination where visitors can explore science and technology through engaging exhibits and live demonstrations. 11. Taliesin West. 1. Highlights: Frank Lloyd Wright's Winter Home and Architecture School. 2. Why visit? A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Taliesin West showcases innovative designs and offers guided tours of Wright's architectural genius. 12. Roosevelt Row Arts District. 1. Highlights: vibrant street art, galleries, and trendy eateries. 2. Why visit? Known for its cultural vibrancy, this area is a must-visit for art lovers and those looking to experience Phoenix's creative spirit. 13. Chasefield. 1. Highlights: home of the Arizona Diamondbacks and retractable roof stadium. 2. Why visit? A great spot for sports fans, offering an exciting atmosphere and various events throughout the year. 14. Heritage Square. 1. Highlights: Victorian-era homes and historical museums. 2. Why visit? Step back in time and learn about Phoenix's past through well-preserved architecture and exhibits. 15. Desert Ridge Marketplace. 1. Highlights: open-air shopping, dining, and entertainment. 2. Why visit? This lively marketplace is perfect for a relaxing day out with its mix of retail stores and dining options. 16. Tempe Town Lake. 1. Highlights: water activities like paddleboarding, kayaking, and picnicking spots. 2. Why visit? Located just outside Phoenix, this man-made lake offers a refreshing escape with its beautiful views and outdoor activities. 17. Phoenix Convention Center. 1. Highlights: a hub for events, conferences, and exhibitions. 2. Why visit? Known for its state-of-the-art facilities, it hosts a variety of cultural and professional events. 18. Odyssey Aquarium. 1. Highlights: largest aquarium in the Southwest, featuring interactive exhibits. 2. Why visit? Perfect for families, this aquarium showcases marine life with touch pools and engaging presentations. 19. Butterfly Wonderland. 1. Highlights: largest butterfly conservatory in the U.S. 2. Why visit? Visitors can walk among thousands of butterflies and learn about their fascinating life cycles. 20. Arizona State Capitol Museum. 1. Highlights: exhibits on Arizona's political history and heritage. 2. Why visit? Learn about the state's governance and cultural milestones through interactive displays and artifacts. 21. Castles and coasters. 1. Highlights: amusement park with roller coasters, mini-golf, and arcade games. 2. Why visit? A fun-filled destination for thrill-seekers and families alike. 22. Tovry Castle. 1. Highlights: historic castle surrounded by desert gardens. 2. Why visit? A unique architectural gem, offering guided tours and insights into Phoenix's history. Tips for exploring Phoenix. 1. Best time to visit: October to April, when the weather is cooler and more comfortable. 2. Transportation: use rental cars or rideshare services for convenience, as the city is spread out. 3. Stay hydrated: Phoenix's dry desert climate can be dehydrating, so drink plenty of water. Summary: Phoenix is a dynamic city with something for everyone. From its stunning desert landscapes and outdoor adventures to its rich history and vibrant cultural scene, this city offers endless opportunities for exploration. By visiting iconic attractions like Camelback Mountain, the Desert Botanical Garden, and the Heard Museum, visitors can create lasting memories and immerse themselves in the spirit of the Valley of the Sun.